Quick question Monday. How does Quick Refrigeration keep up with all the demand during the summer months? Well, I'm going to show you kind of our back area here. Over here you'll see that we have some equipment here that is staged and ready to go for the next week. So there's probably 15 or 20 units there that are scheduled to go over the next week or so. And then I'm going to walk down here to this other area and you get to see kind of the back preview here. These are all the fittings and parts and pieces that are for some upcoming jobs. And then you'll see this row of units here that'll just come into view here. This row of units is all staged and ready to go and ready to be installed tomorrow. So we have a very, very particular process and a very particular way that we get the equipment ready. And so these are all ready when the guys come in from the afternoon shift. They come in, they unload their truck, and the equipment is right here waiting for them here on the dock. And this is how we're able to stay organized and have the next installations ready for the next day in a very quick and efficient way. So that's one way that we prepare to keep you cool during the summer months.